Alright, happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel, Socially Bearded. You know what Sunday is? Shave day. Today we have got Shannons soaps, Rust Belt Reserve, Indigo Oud scent. It is magnificent. I haven't shaved with it yet, but it's right there, that's good. It's got some sandalwood and oud, and it's got a bunch of stuff in it. It's one of them real complex scents that just smells really good. Yaki 24 millimeter. Doesn't even have a variant of it. It's just a Yaki 24 millimeter. Really like it. Probably the best brush that I own, and it's probably the most expensive also. I think I picked it up for 10 bucks. Works super good. We will be using the leaf today, just because we're going to try to get through this one a little quicker. Got some stuff I got to do, stuff I got to take care of. So this is my first experience with Shannons soaps. I have never used anything from them. I know generally their soaps are like 12 bucks. This one was 20, so I'm thinking this might be a different base, or it's got some really expensive fragrances or essentials in it. Something like that. So hopefully we find it to be worth that 20 bucks. You know, the color of that soap almost matched the bowl. If you were wondering, did you even have any soap in there? I did. So far so good. This is a tallow base. I kind of looked it up, and I didn't get an exact variant of what tallow. I mean, I don't know if it's beef tallow or what. I'm gonna assume that it is. Beef tallow is pretty common. Of course, you know, there's people using duck fat, bear tallow, you know, any kind of tallow you can come up with. There's people that are using it in shave soap, so doesn't necessarily have to be that. Man, hey, that looks pretty good. So far, I'm not gonna complain about that at all. Might need a little water. Dip our tips there. I think it's gonna need a little more than that though. Tell you what, we'll get the spray bottle out. Pro tip, take the glasses off. Hit it with 3 squirts. Yeah, probably handle it a little bit more. Put some on the head and see what happens. I think that'll be enough in the bowl. So I have become a fan, I can hold that a little better, of that little dude right there. I don't hear a lot of people talk about him, which just because I don't hear it don't mean that people don't, but I'm actually really starting to like the Falcon blades. They so far have treated me very well. Now I only had 2 packages of them, but I'm on about halfway through the 2nd package. I think that's enough use to say whether, you know, they work well for me or not, and so far they do. Let's get right into it. Ooh, feels nice going on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feels really nice going onto the skin. I think we got it hydrated properly. If anybody watched last Sunday's video, It was a I salvaged it, but it was started off as a bad shave. I had my soap way underhydrated, and it was weird because I dumped all kinds of water to that soap and it still was just eating it up. I like that though. Sometimes it takes me a use or two to kind of get them under control or get them where I like them. But I've always liked those really thirsty soaps. That way I can, you know, really finely adjust how much water that I put to it. That's a good scent. Indigo Oud. I wish I could remember what all was in it. I'll see if I can remember. I'll throw it up on the sides here. Like I said, I know it's got sandalwood. I think it might even have some tobacco in it, but I could be wrong about that. Some bergamot, I believe. Bergamot. Of course, it's got the oud. There were several things, so I'll see if I can't figure it out, and I'll throw it up on the outsides here. Ooh. Okay. Of course, I got a new blade in, but yeah, that felt real nice and slick. Really good residual slickness from the Shannons. I'm noticing already. Okay, pass one, felt really nice. Again, love the scent. Beautiful, beautiful scent. You know what, I just remembered something. I don't like the falcon blades in the leaf. That's where I'm feeling a lot of stubble still left. And it is nothing to do with the soap and everything to do with the blades. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I just remembered that. So I put the falcons in my DEs, and that's where they work the best for me. Yep, that is, I remember that now. I remember telling myself, you know, don't put these in the leaf for whatever reason. There's something. Leaf does not like these razors, or these razors don't like the leaf, or something. Yeah, I remember now. Well, we'll get through it though. You know, it could be a sharpness thing with the treat blades here. Really not sure. They've never worked exactly like I've wanted them to in the leaf. I have to take a lot of buffing strokes to get BBS. I can still feel a bunch of stubble back there. Okay, that's the shave. Great soap, great razor, not the best blade. Yeah. As soon as I felt all the stubble that was left there, I remembered what I did. I do like the Falcons. They work very well for me. They just don't work very well in the leaf razor. So, if you are a exclusive head shaver with the leaf, don't even bother with the treat Falcons. Just steer clear from them. But if you're using a DE or a Chevette, something like that, I'm sure they'll be just fine. I don't really see why they wouldn't be. There's just something about the I guess maybe the angle that the leaf places them at. They just don't like that. I like the Gillette 7 o'clock greens. That is my personal favorite to put in the leaf or a Chevette. They're pretty cost efficient. They work really good for me. The feathers are quite a bit more expensive, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I find those things so sharp that they cause irritation. That's just me though. Little Thayer's witch hazel there, cucumber of course. Such a nice product. It's a little expensive, but see, I can still feel little spots there. I'll be cleaning them up the rest of the day. Anyway, be alright. I don't have the splash for this one either. I've been buying a lot of soaps without splashes just in case, you know, it's something I don't like. So, since that is Indigo Oud, we will go with a little bit of a Gar from Sterling. Good shave, no irritation at all. I wonder if these blades aren't as sharp, and maybe that's why it's leaving stubble, or maybe the point of them is ground at a different angle, something like that. Anyway, yeah, that's going to be it, guys. Good shave, zero irritation. I'll have to do a little bit of cleanup later, but that's okay. So yeah, I appreciate everybody for joining, and we will see you back here next Sunday. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. If you're new here and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and remember to follow me across all social medias.